Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to get the public key, private key and the merchant ID from the Braintree sandbox details. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in with the sandbox Braintree. So let's add sandbox, that is Braintree. Okay, so I'm going to log in with, if you don't have the account, then you have to create the account first. Okay, so they have the sign up and everything over here, so you can do that one. So let me decline this. So I have already the login, so I'm not going to create the account. So if you don't have the account, then first create that account. If you create that one, then it will give you the sandbox key at the runtime. If you have already the login account, so you have to just go with the login. Okay, so this is not the, this is Braintree. We need to log in with the sandbox. Okay, sandbox login Braintree. So here this is sandbox Braintree. So let's add my username and add my password over here. Just log in. Okay, so when you logged in, so here you can decline, and how to get that API keys. So let's go to the settings. We have a API, right? So here you can see that we have a public key, we have a private key. Okay, so you need to get this one, and here we have the merchant keys also. So here you can see that we have a merchant ID. Okay, so you can use this one, right? And in my node.js code I have already using in the next video. Let me check the details are correct or not. So here we go with the details, right? So here we have the Braintree. So this is my merchant ID, so I'm using that one. This is my merchant ID, right? And this is my environment, so sandbox. Public key, let's check the public key over here, which is public key over here. This is the public key, that is NZ. Okay, so this is NZ, right? So these credentials we are going to use in our next video to integrate the Braintree into our Node.js project, then React with Node. Okay, so this is how you are able to get your keys. Any keys you can get, the tokenization keys also. Okay, generate the new tokenization key if you want that token based. Okay, so this is how you were able to get this one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.